Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this lesson, we learn how to check whether a given number is even in JavaScript. Even numbers are divisible by 2 without remainder, while odd numbers leave a remainder of 1. Let's explore how to quickly determine if a number is even using a simple mathematical operation. The easiest way to check if a number is even is to use the modulo operator. If num modulo 2 is strictly equal to 0, the number is even. Otherwise, it is odd. This simple check works for positive, negative, and 0 values. This function works by using the modulo operator, which finds the remainder of a division. If num modulo 2 is strictly equal to 0, then num is evenly divisible by 2, meaning it is an even number. This method correctly classifies positive, negative, and 0 values. The modulo operator works consistently regardless of the sign of the number, ensuring accurate results. This function correctly identifies even numbers regardless of the sign, positive or negative. The modulo operation provides a quick and efficient way to determine evenness. This function is useful in game mechanics, scheduling, and optimization algorithms. Many programs rely on even-odd checks for logic-based decision making. This wraps up our lesson. We've learned how to identify even numbers using the modulo operator. This method is widely used in math operations, game logic, and scheduling algorithms. Try using it in your projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.